Assalamu alaikum students. The topic is application of 2D scanners at an airport. So this is the real life scenario. Okay, and so now 2D scanner is used to scan passport at an airport. Whenever we take a flight, our passport is first scanned on a 2D scanner, and 2D scanner here uses OCR technology and get all your information in edit form. This allow your information to be compared by the database information, and it compare your own image also. So basically two types of data which are compared, that is first one is text form and the second is image form. So and as you know that your text is stored in the form of zeros and ones in the computer, and you also know that A till Z capital and A till Z small and 0 till 9 and special character like dot, comma, hash, at the rate sign, question mark, bracket open, bracket close, inverted commas. So there is the code behind them, which is the code of zeros and ones. The code of all these characters is already defined, and which is called ASCII code. Okay, and ASCII table. So but your image is not stored in the 0 and 1s form in the database. So your image is stored in JPEG as a JPEG. Okay, but computer only understand the zeros and ones, and computer is not a human being. So computer cannot compare just like human quickly. So facial recognition is a technology that we compare two images together. Okay, so what a facial recognition system does is, and how to recognize so it measure basically when two images are compared, the software check basically the distance between the eyes, width of the nose, shape of the cheek bones, length of the jawline, and the shape of the eyebrows. So because these things can never change from your face. Okay, so this is the application of 2D scanner, and so we will meet in the next video with the new topic, inshallah. Jazakallah.